In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your cart on Sephora 2026, step by step. If you've been browsing for skincare, makeup, or fragrance, and want to quickly review what you've picked, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to expect so you can confirm everything before you move on. First, open your preferred web browser on desktop or mobile and go to the Sephora Philippines website at sephora.ph. Give the page a moment to load. You should see the familiar Sephora branding, a search bar near the top, and navigation for categories like makeup, skincare, hair, and more. Don't worry if you see banners or promotional tiles on the homepage. They won't affect the process recovering. The key is simply being on the Sephora Philippines site so the layout and links match what I'm describing. Next, head straight to your cart by opening the bag. On desktop, look toward the upper right corner for the shopping bag icon. It may display a number indicating how many items are inside. Click the icon, and if a small preview panel appears, choose View Bag to go to the full cart page. On mobile, the bag icon is usually at the top right or along the bottom navigation bar. Tap the bag and then tap View Bag if you see a preview. If the preview doesn't appear, tapping the bag typically takes you directly to your cart. Either way, the View Bag action leads you to the same place where you can review everything at a glance. Once you're on the bag page, you'll see the items you've selected, including product names, shades, or sizes where applicable, quantities, prices, and any savings or offers applied. You'll also see a running subtotal and, depending on your location and the current promos, an estimate of what you'll pay at checkout. This page is designed for quick verification, so it's perfect for making sure you've got the right items before you proceed further. A couple of quick tips as you review. If the page looks slightly different, don't stress. Retail sites update their designs from time to time. Just look for the bag or cart icon and the View Bag wording, which serve the same purpose across versions. If your bag is empty, the page will say so, and you can continue browsing from there. If you're using the Sephora app, the same idea applies. Open the bag and proceed to the full view. That's it. You've successfully checked your cart on Sephora Philippines by going to the site and selecting View Bag. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!